Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is Varma, and in this video I am going to show how to invest in stock market, how to buy shares in companies. See friends, everyone wants to invest in stock market, but many of them don't know how to invest and where to invest in stock market. So don't worry friends, I will show you in this video and I will explain in the simple terms. See friends, these are the basic requirements to invest in stock market. First, you need to have sufficient funds or money in your bank account, and then you need to have demat account for investing, and you need to select the companies, and you have to check the fundamentals of companies to invest in stock market. Friends, sufficient money seems to your savings money like spare money. If you lose it also, then there is no effect for your life, and you need not to worry for this money. Friends, remember one thing, don't invest your emergency funds which are kept aside for your emergency. And finally, friends, remember never ever invest or trade with borrowed money. Okay, friends, now what is meant by demat account? See, friends, demat account is an account which holds the shares and securities in digital or electronic form. Nothing but when you buy shares of any company, in that account it will show you. See friends, before this digital world, they used to give shares on printed papers and which are very difficult to storage and which are lost. They used to consider as those shares are lost. But now don't worry, in this digital world, your shares are safe with the demat accounts. Okay, now how to select the companies and how to check fundamentals of companies. Friends, there are many methods how to select the companies. Friends, I will do a dedicated video for this. We have to check many aspects before investing in the stock market. Okay friends. Okay, now I will show you how to buy shares in demat account friends. Okay friends, now I will open Upstox demat account. Type Upstox login in Google. Okay, now open Upstox online share market trading or any web. Friends, here shows to create account or sign in. If you are new to stock market, if you want to open demat or trading account, I have given link in the description. Go with that and open your account. Okay, after if you are new, create account, otherwise you can sign in. Now I will sign in. I have account in this. Friends, if you are new, it will ask Upstox ID and password and then digital pin. I have given those two and now I am using 6-digit pin. Okay, here choose old Upstox and new Upstox, both are same. It is new Upstox is upgraded, and first I will choose old Upstox. See friends, Upstox demat account looks like this. This is chart and this is watch list, and I says you can choose here to add any watch list and trade funds. See friends, you have to deposit funds through this from your bank account, and it is to withdraw funds. Okay, now orders, when you buy something like shares, here it will show you, and this is positions, P&L, profit and loss statement. In this holdings, this is holdings. When you buy shares and hold for long term, here it will show you. Okay, now how to add shares and how to buy shares. Now I will keep watch list, create new watch list. Okay, now I will type investment. In investment, First stock I will choose Reliance. See, you have to choose cash, NSE equity, add, and then Infosys. Infosys look like Infi. Like this, you can choose number of stocks in this watch list. After adding watch list, here you see buy, here you see sell. We are going for investment and we choose buy. When you press buy, here it will show you like this order book quantity, how many quantity you want, like 500, 5000 or 100 quantities, or you can even buy one share also. After that, you have to place intraday or delivery. Intraday means 3:30 it will spare off, and if you buy that shares before 3:30 it will sell automatically by the upstocks. So we are choosing for the long term, we have to choose for delivery. You can hold how many days you want, and you can review your buy order. Okay friends, now it won't choose because in our account there is no funds. I am using this account for demo purpose, that's why there is no funds in this account. Same like that, you can buy how many shares you can want, how many companies also. After buying the shares, you can see your shares in holdings. It will take 2 days to reflect your shares, and here it will show you profit and loss. Means if your shares are performing well, it will show you profit. If it is not performing well, it show you loss. Okay friends, in these holdings it will show you. We have to select the good companies. For good companies, we have to we have to check many aspects, fundamentals and company performance. Okay friends, this is very basic about how demat account looks. In our upcoming videos, I will explain about what is simple order, cover order, aftermarket order, intraday, day trading, swing trading. All these all these concepts I will teach you in upcoming videos, friends. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you, friends. I hope you have learned something from this video, friends. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our latest videos.